In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a tag in Zoho CRM using Deluge, Zoho's own scripting language. This process will allow you to automate tagging and help you manage your CRM records more efficiently. To get started, let's go through the necessary steps together. First things first, we need to create an OAuth connection. Head over to your Zoho CRM and navigate to the Setup menu. Once there, look for the Developer Space section and click on Connections. Here, you will find an option to create a new connection. Click on Create Connection, and from the list of available options, choose Zoho OAuth. Now, it's essential to give your connection a meaningful name, such as CRM OAuth connection. This will help you identify it later. After naming it, you'll need to authorize access with your Zoho account. Follow the prompts and provide the necessary permissions. Once authorized, make sure to save the connection so it's ready for later use. Now that we have our connection established, the next step is to create a custom function within Zoho CRM. Once again, head back to the Setup menu and find Developer Space. Under that, click on Functions, and then select Custom Functions. Here, you initiate the creation of a new custom function by clicking Create Function. Setting the category is crucial, so ensure you select Automation, as this defines the function's purpose. Proceed to give your function a descriptive name and a brief description. This keeps your functions organized and easily identifiable in the future. Now, define an input variable. Something like recorded is appropriate, as it will serve as a placeholder for the record you're targeting. For the logic that applies the tag to a record, you'll need to write this using the built-in Deluge editor. Deluge is powerful yet straightforward, and with a little syntax knowledge, you can easily craft the logic needed to apply your tag. Make sure to use the connection you've created in the first step here. This integration is crucial since it allows your function to communicate securely with your Zoho CRM data. Although testing is optional, it's a highly recommended step to ensure your function is working correctly. After writing and saving your function, click on Save and Execute. You'll be prompted to enter a real record ID. This ID is obtainable from the URL of the record you want to test. Run the function and carefully check the output. If everything is in order, you should see confirmation that the tag has been successfully added to your record. And that's it. You've learned how to automate tagging in Zoho CRM using Deluge, which will streamline your CRM management tasks significantly. I hope this guide has been helpful. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more efficient and innovative uses of Zoho CRM in your business.